YouTube fan, what's up? I'm still at the range again, and I got another review for y'all. And today I'm going to look at my Glock 48 MOS, the 9mm. Let's check it, make sure it's empty. You can tell, no magazine in it. I'm not going to talk about the specs right now. I'm going to go shoot it, but let me show y'all what I'm shooting. So I got some CCI Blazer, pretty good stuff, 124 grain bullets. I got some Winchester white box, and I got some Remington grading white box, 115 grain, and the Winchester is 115 grain. So got my mags. We're gonna get over there and shoot it, and I'm gonna talk about it a little bit more. All right, so this is the Glock 48 MOS. As y'all saw in my recent unboxing, I just picked this up maybe about 2 weeks ago. So far I'm enjoying it, but I want to see if I can enjoy it some more. So right now I'll start off at 10. I guess that's pretty simple. Let's get these first shots. Ooh, that was bad. Ooh. Here we go. Ooh, started off pretty bad. Anyways, how am I liking shooting this gun? Let's go see how I did. I ain't gonna hide that from y'all, but how I like it, it's pretty good. I'm not sold on 9mm like that, but the gun feels nice in the hand. Using my shots, I was all over the place. Once I saw that, I was like, yeah, I gotta tighten it up. So I pulled it back in a little bit, but I'm gonna do better. But the 48 rocks is pretty good. I have no complaints. I've been enjoying shooting it for the past, I don't know, 2 weeks or so. It's a pretty nice sized gun. Let me get into the specs right quick. So it has a 4-inch barrel, 4.1 inch, whatever you want to call it. It is cut for an optic, so if I want it, I could put a red dot on here. I might put one on here, we'll see. I gotta shoot this a little bit more. One thing about their slimline from Glock, I appreciate that they put this cut in the grip. Y'all know I love nice cuts or extended beaver tails, so I can get my hand in there, lock it up real tight, no complaints. Typical Glock sights, I know people don't like them. This is my first time, I think, running just the iron sights by themselves without changing them out, so I'm gonna just do that. The trigger's pretty good. I don't know if it's the Gen 5 trigger, but I don't know, it kind of feels all the same to me, to be honest. But it has a rail for a light if I want to put it, or a laser. I guess people use lasers on pistols. One thing about this that it's probably a negative, maybe, it's a 10-round magazine. Now again, I don't carry 9mm, so I don't care anyway, but it does hold a capacity of 10 rounds at the most. Now you could buy like a magazine extension, or they make some extended mags or whatever. I'm not interested in buying those. I'm just going to run this gun as is and let you know if I will recommend it. But another thing about it is that it is slim. This is a very slim gun. I know there's a thing out there that people like slim and light guns and everything needs to be light for some reason. I don't know, whatever. But you know, for those who want a slim gun, this is it. It's not heavy. It feels pretty solid. But let me shoot it some more, see if I can tighten up that groove. Oh man, all right, I'm in between 10 and 20 now. I'm probably like at 13, but I'm gonna stay right here. The target, I didn't mention that. I think it's like a 12 by 18 or 18 by 24 or something like that. I'm not sure, but let's go. Okay. The recoil's not bad. I mean, to me, shooting 9mm is really easy. So, yeah, I don't know. To me, it's almost no recoil, but it's not too bad. Now, I did tighten up that group. I think I can't remember. Yeah, I think I had a few up high, but I did tighten that group a little bit. For the most part, I stayed here. So that was just me in the beginning. I don't even know why I even had that, because I've already been shooting, but I don't know. It's early, it's cold, but hey, this is performing well. So as of right now, I'm definitely gonna keep this gun and I'm gonna keep shooting it. So I definitely enjoying it. I'm back up a teeny bit more. I'm probably like at 15 this time. I'm gonna stay at 15. Still running that CCI Blazer 124 grain. It feels pretty good to shoot. So whew. Okay, so one thing I know, I don't like to blame the gun, so it's probably just me. I think my shots are pretty much leaning left. Ooh, I actually threw one high, but that's just something I gotta work on and get better at. But so far the gun's been performing great. I don't have any issues with it, but I like it. I'm gonna keep shooting it. Let's go get some more ammo and run it. But what I am going to shoot this time is I'm going to shoot the other ammo I got. I got this Winchester, the red and white box. I don't know if I've shot Winchester 9mm before. Maybe I have. I don't shoot 9mm a lot, but I probably have shot this. And I've shot the green and white box before. So I'm going to load up these mags right quick and then we're going to get back over there and wrap it up. Alright, loaded up. So, like I was saying, no complaints about it so far. Got my mags ready. You know, whatever. Let's move a little bit. I'm gonna stay at like 15. So, I'm running that Remington. 15 yards, I'm staying center off center shots. Ooh, all right, okay, I'm gonna have to shoot with these gloves off. Sorry for the slow shooting, but these are really stiff. But the 48's doing great. I'm not shooting the best, but that's okay. It's just one of those days. Yeah, not the best group, but for the most part, I mean, most of my shots are in the 8 to 9. I got a couple 7s, but could I have done better? Yeah, it's not the Glock's fault, it's mine. But so far, I'm really liking this gun. I recommend it. I know a lot of people recommend some of the other Glocks, but to me, like I said in my unboxing, if there was any 9mm or compact 9mm Glock I would pick up, it would have been this first. Now I do have my eyes on a few other 9mm Glocks, maybe the 45, maybe, but we'll see. But so far so good. This is my thoughts of it. It's a great choice. I definitely recommend it. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Tell me about my shooting. I'm cool with that. Subscribe, like, watch the video all the way through, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.